guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. I want your opinion on a new intro or something I could say. I've been saying, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, thanks for stopping by, for like over a year now. I don't know how else to say it, but I feel like it kind of gets super repetitive. But maybe you guys love it, I don't know. So let me know in the comments below. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing my October ipsy for 2018, and if you don't know what ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service that features everything from hair care to skincare to makeup to nail care to beauty tools. And I've been subscribed for, it seems like, forever and a day, well over 4 years, and I just adore it. So I highly recommend subscribing down below, and the value of the products is always well over $10, and it's just super affordable. Plus you get a cute little makeup bag every month, and it's always different, and I just love it. And honestly, for the price, you just can't beat it. It's just an amazing value. Ipsy also came out with a Glam Bag Plus subscription that is a monthly subscription, and you get a bigger size makeup bag every 3 months, but you still get the subscription every month. You just won't get a bag every month like you do with a $10 a month. You're guaranteed to get over $120 worth of products, and it is $25 a month. I am not subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus subscription, and I don't plan on being, just because of the price point, and I just can't afford that, and I really just like the regular ipsy subscription. So that is what I'm going to keep, and I'm glad they decided to keep both, because I think, well, I know they would lose a lot of customers if they decided to get rid of the $10 a month subscription, just because it's something everybody can afford pretty much, and it's just a wonderful value. So I'll have my invite code in the invite link in the description, and when you sign up for the Glam Bag subscription, I will receive 250 points, and I can use those to redeem for extra products in my Glam Bag the next month. So thank you to those that have used my link in the past to sign up for ipsy. I really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this, and let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments below. So of course, this is the October bag, and honestly, I'm not a fan of it. I think it's it fits perfectly for October with the red and black and the little eye mask little thing. I think that's what you call them. Honestly, I just don't like red, and I'm not a fan of the design per se. So I'm probably going to sell this on like Poshmark or Depop or eBay or something. So, because I'm just not going to use it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the bag. And I have so many ipsy bags, and when I don't like the design, I just sell them or give them away, because I don't want to throw them away. That would be a waste. And I just have enough makeup bags, and I would rather keep the designs that I do like. Most of them I do like, so I don't feel bad about giving them away. So it's not like I'm always wasting the bag. I keep a ton of them. Most of them, actually. The first product that is in my ipsy bag, I was so excited to see that I was going to be getting this in my Glam Bag. It's a MAC lip product, and I love MAC. I remember when MAC used to be like the OG of YouTube, and now I feel like nobody shops at MAC anymore, and I personally started getting into MAC a little bit. I only have 2 of their lipsticks. That's the only thing I have, but I do love their products, their lipsticks that I've tried, and this is a gloss. I have no idea what shade this is in, but it's perfect for the fall time, and I absolutely love it. And I've never received a MAC product in my ipsy bag before. Like, oh, that's so perfect for October, and it's a great size too. It's obviously not full size. Lip products, at least for me, take forever to use up. So I think that this, again, it's just a perfect size, great for travel, and just the perfect lip color for the fall time for October and November. I love this lip product. I can't believe I got a MAC product in my ipsy bag. The next product that I received in my ipsy bag is by the brand First Aid Beauty, and this is the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin, and it says it's safe for sensitive skin. Now, you may be thinking, finally, a skincare product you're excited about because it says for sensitive skin, but I'm actually not. First Aid Beauty is probably like a great brand, but their skincare stuff makes my skin break out, so it's not great for me. I've tried a few things from there, some samples I got from Sephora at one point, and like other Ipsies, and it just makes my skin break out, so it's not a happy camper. But again, just a great size. So we got some great sizes in my bag this month, and some really nice like high-end products this month, but I will be passing this along or saving it for a giveaway because it makes my skin break out. But this brand, it does work wonders for a lot of people. The next product is a Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment in the shade Rainforest. I like it because it's very different. It's like a green because it's like rainforest, but yet it's like kind of silvery, like it's showing up super green on camera. It's not quite that green in person, but I think this will be very different to try in a look, so I'll have to see if I can come up with a look that I could incorporate this. But I really like these Naked Cosmetics loose shadows, and I have a couple of them because I'm subscribed to Ipsy, and it's a popular product that they include. The next product that I received in my Ipsy bag is, I can't tell what brand that is. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a eyebrow brush, and I have no idea how to pronounce the brand name of this, but this is their angled eyebrow brush, so that looks really nice. I do not have too many of these, so that'll be really, really great. I keep saying really nice, but it'll be great to try with. I want to try to get brow like pomades, I think that's how you say it. I think that'll be just a different technique to try for my eyebrows. I'm all about quick and easy, but I really want to try those, and I think that this would be a great brush to try that with. The next product in my Ipsy bag I was so intrigued to see on my list. This is by the brand Inc.Credible, or Inc.Credible, You Glow Girl, and it's a gel consistency jelly highlighter. This is a legit highlighter. I have no idea how it works. Come on! There's hardly any product in here. That is such a ripoff. Look at half of, I'm zooming in on this in a close-up, but there's hardly any product in here. Honestly, gosh, half of the jar is empty. More than half. That's the worst sample I've ever, like deluxe size product I've ever seen. There's like little to no product in here. I'm mad because this looks like such a cool product, but I'm only going to be able to use it once or twice, and then I'll have to buy it if I really like it, and that's how they get me. But like, this is Ipsy where I pay for the subscription, so I should get like a full product size. I'm so mad. This looks amazing. I'm so bummed. I hope I like it, but at the same time I hope I don't, because I'll only be able to use this a few times. So that's a bummer, because I loved this product. I was so excited about it because it's so different, and it's by a different brand I've never heard of, and again, just a different kind of product, and I was so excited, but there's hardly any product in here, so that's disappointing. Well, that is everything in my Ipsy bag for October 2018. Overall, I'm really impressed with my Ipsy bag for October 2018. The only product that I was really disappointed in was the First Aid Beauty product, and it's a really high-end skincare brand, but it just makes my skin break out, so that's why I'm not excited about it. But otherwise, I'm really excited about everything in my bag except for the jelly consistency highlighter that hardly has any product in it. Other than that, it was a wonderful month with some really nice high-end products. This is one of the best Ipsies that I've gotten in a long while. So many high-end products in one bag. Let me know if you are considering subscribing to Ipsy down below, and or what your favorite product was in this month's bag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you gals in my next video. Bye!